Alright friends, in this session we will examine classes polymorphism. So we have two classes. I copied and pasted because it's so long to write it. So inside my cat class, you see I have constructor. So I assign constructor classes properties, these parameters, and then I have two methods, info and makeSound. And here in my dog class, I have same method, info and makeSound. And using these two classes, I am creating two objects. And I pass parameters, constructor parameters value. You see, for cat1, name is Shirin and age is 3. And for dog1, name is Alex and age is 5. So, if I trigger this info function, what will appear on the screen? My dog's name is Alex and it is 5 years old. It will appear like that. So here I use a loop for printing this. You see, I just write animal in and I open my tuple cat1 and dog1. So first cat1 works and then it iterates through, dog1 works after that. So if I run it, you see, meow, my cat's name is Shirin and it is 3 years old. And then woof, my dog name is Alex and it is 5 years old. You see, same method in classes behave differently depending on objects. In my for loop, object change and it prints different result to the screen. So it is a perfect example of polymorphism in object-oriented programming. Super.